These are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides. On each side, you'll see a quantity of dots that we refer to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to take the quantities on the sides to help us create numbers that then we can add or subtract. So in this case, I want to create some 3-digit numbers. So I am going to take these two dominoes and I'm going to choose 3 of the quantities to make a 3-digit number. And then I'm also going to take these two dominoes and create another 3-digit number. So here is the 3-digit numbers that I've created. I took the 3, the 1, and the 8 to make 318, the 2, the 9, and the 5 to make 295. Now what I'll do is I will add them together. 8 and 5 is 13, so I have the 3 and the 1s. I regroup the 10s, so 1 and 1 is 2, 2 and 9 is 11. And now I have 1, 3, and 2 in the hundreds place, which represents 600, so I end up with 613. Now my partner has also used these dominoes, but they've created slightly different numbers. So my partner has used the 3, the 6, and the 1, the 2, the 5, and the 8. And now my partner will add these together. And my partner has a different number. So my sum is 613. My partner's sum is 619. Oh, my partner's number is only slightly greater than mine, but when we compare, we would say this one is greater. I'm thinking probably because they made quite a bit larger number here than what I did. So here is one way in which we can use the dominoes to create numbers that then we can add or subtract and compare.